My name is Brooklyn, and I quit my retail job to start a business with absolutely no plan, no security, absolutely nothing but an overwhelming desire to leave my current situation, the crazy amount of hours, the picking up after other people, the being uninspired on a daily basis to go after what I really and truly wanted for my life. Make sure you subscribe to follow along on my journey as I learn to package lashes, find lash vendors, take professional photos, find photo shoot supplies, find the perfect packaging, and just grow as an individual and as a company. I'd be so happy to have you here, and welcome to episode 1 of Creating My Dream Life. So, to kick off episode 1, here you see my mom and I packaging the lashes. I have 5 styles of lashes ranging from a 14mm all the way to a 3D faux mink, so lots of variety. The boxes that you see here are from Amazon. I love these boxes. They're a little bit pricier than, AliExpress or other vendor websites. They are $22 for 10. So you're paying a little bit extra per box, basically for the fast shipping. You're paying for the convenience, but it's up to you where you want to get your boxes from. I decided to not go with custom boxes because I didn't want one to wait a long time. I'm very impatient, and I wanted to have a low minimum order quantity that's like a realistic figure for when you're just starting out. You don't want to spend, I don't know, like $200 just on packaging. So Amazon is a great way. There aren't that many styles. You have to do some digging, but I love these boxes. Definitely recommend them. They come with the trays, and as you can see, I have little stickers that have my logo, and I just put them on the box, and they look custom. They look very cute, and I love them. I also have these lash accessories, or the applicator and the spoolie. I got them from Amazon. I'm going to insert a picture here. And I also have these pink organza bags, or just little baggies to keep the case with the lash accessories so everything stays together, because presentation is super, super important. And here you can see what a lash looks like packaged. And these are my logo stickers. Hey guys, I wanted to show you what the finished lashes look like. Here they are packaged and labeled. Some are missing because I let friends and family buy before I set up my website, but here they are. These are the stickers from Amazon that I was telling you about, and I used a label maker that my best friend got me from Costco to label each of these lashes. I love the font, and this is how they look when they're opened. I love the glitter so much. I feel like this is the perfect way to get like custom looking boxes and not wait. And I feel like they look so beautiful. I'm so in love with the packaging. And here I have everything set up. This is the label maker. If you are curious, it's from Costco, and I use the clear like roll of like sticker tape, I guess. And I use the second font, and I love how it looks. These are the boxes. I also, just a quick haul from Amazon, I got these thank you cards almost that I'll fill out with every order. And I think the pink matches really well, and it's very on brand, and it came in a pack of 50, and I'll include a link. Oh, it came in a pack of 100, and I'm going to include the link down below in case you wanted one. It's photo shoot time. Today is the photo shoot for Anika B Luxury Lashes. Here you can see me setting up. I had a bench and I covered it with a curtain, a gray curtain. I just wanted a plain background, and I picked up a lot of supplies from the dollar store. These are pink rose petals, and these are like foam cutouts. They're glittery, very cute, and very on brand because I wanted everything pink, because that's really my, like, pink and white are my brand's colors. And then I knew I was going to launch in February, so a little Valentine's Day inspo. But I just wanted to get the message across that you don't need to spend a lot on photo shoot supplies, and you don't need to spend a lot on, hiring like a professional photographer, getting all these expensive props, and just outsourcing a lot. Like a lot of these things you can do yourself. You could be very cost effective with them. It just takes some time, some dedication, some creativity, but it's very doable. Here you could see me. I got these little heart-shaped gemstones that kind of look like hard candy. Like they're super cute. I just wanted to add extra little details, place them perfectly. Like I'm very, very particular about how I wanted everything set up. But I just wanted everything to come together for this photo shoot because I wanted the brand to look cohesive and I wanted good product pictures so I could post them on my Instagram as well as on the website. So this photo shoot actually took about 3 hours. I have short clips of the time lapse here just to show you me moving around all the petals, all of the heart cutouts, just to get the perfect shot for each lash style. Here you can see Barbie. I made little graphics on Canva, which I'll post a tutorial on how to do soon enough. But for each style, I did a graphic and I wanted a cute description that I could put on the website as well as on my Instagram account because I wanted the Instagram and the website and just my entire brand to have like a cohesive look. I wanted everything pink and white and girly and just inspiring almost. So, for this series, Creating My Dream Life, I'm going to be posting videos every week on entrepreneurship, days in my life, just me improving my life and teaching others how to do the same. So, creating a business was my first step. I've always wanted to create a business. I know that this is the life for me and just a really big goal of mine. And I'm going to be sharing everything along the way, how I package my lashes, more lash photo shoots, inventory, and just all the things that you need to create your own lash business if that's like what you desire to do as well. Thank you so much for watching. On this next clip, you're going to see how my website has come together using these pictures from this photo shoot. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to come back every week to see where this channel goes and where my business goes. It's really late at night, you guys. My parents are sleeping, but I think I'm finally happy with the website on Shopify. I still have a few touch ups that I need to do. Like, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to these things. I'm not going to be 100% satisfied ever, I don't think, but I really like the direction it's going in. All of these graphics created on Canva by me over the course of these last few weeks. This is the debut collection. I'm so happy with the vibes. I still have to finish the footer and I'm gonna add like an FAQ page and finish up, just some last touches that I want to do. I'm so happy with the vibe. I'm so happy with the graphics. I'm just so happy. It's finally, I could finally see the light at the end of the tunnel, guys. We're almost there. I'm gonna start packaging up the lashes tomorrow.